Okay, dear students. Yesterday we had the one class and the lesson attitude is altitude. First part was completed and already I sent to you by the YouTube. I think you might have watched the video and the views also I received that and seen. Now attitude is altitude part 2. Today you are going to learn attitude is altitude. Part 2. Okay, my dear students, in the last class we learnt that about the one person, Nick Vujicic. He is a handicapped person. And already we learnt by the birth he had no hands, no legs. By the birth he was a torso. So, even though he was a handicapped person, but he succeeded in his life. So, in the last class we learnt that how many problems he faced as a handicapped person, how many problems he is facing. Really in the society also, we are also watching handicapped people, how many problems they are facing also already we know. Some of the people, they don't have the hands, they will suffer. Some of the people don't have the legs, they will suffer. But here, this Nick Vujicic, he doesn't have the no hands, no legs. But how can you live? What can you do? What can you do? And what can you do that? See, in the second part also we will see that Nick Vujicic had no hands and no legs, but he will play the games. He will play the sports. He will swim. He will type. He will write. So many things he can do. Sir, how is it possible, sir, without the hands? Because you said he has no hands. How is it possible, sir, to write and to play? How is it possible, sir? But the God had given him a small foot at the left here. Fine. A small foot is given. Very small foot, just like a chicken leg piece. So that is called the chicken drumstick. Actually, his friends called him. Actually, here there is a small little foot is given by the God. Because of the little foot, he is making wonders. By having the hands, we are not making the wonders. By having the two legs, we are not making any wonders. But here, having the small foot, he is making the wonders. Playing games, swimming, typing, all kinds of the things he is doing. Taking the bath. So everything he is doing. So generally handicapped people are depressed. Because when they see a good boy or a good person, a healthy person, he is depressed. Because I have no hands, I have no leg. Because he has hands and legs, how he is running, how he is going. Okay, he is depressed that. But here also, he also depressed. One day he went to the mother. Mother, it was a terrible, I want to die. He told the mother. Mother, I want to die. He said. The mother said something, the mother also said. And after that also, for the second time also, he attempted to get suicide. once went to the mother and told the mother, I want to die because of the no hands, no legs, because of that I want to die. And for the second time also, he want to die himself only by drowning in the water tub. But not possible. He was not died. At the same time, you see one more thing also, very interesting thing also. This Nick Vujicic, he was born in the hospital. When he was born, at the first the father came to there to see the torso, the little baby, and seeing that no hands, no legs, seeing that he went away out of the hospital and to vomit. The vomit sensation he got seeing the baby. Generally, when a baby is born, the parents will be very happy. But here, when he is born, the father ran away out of the hospital to vomit. The mother not looked at the baby even for the 4 months, not looked at the baby, not taken into the hands also. So you see how awkward he is. He is not good. So even though after the 4 months the mother taken into the hands, the father also taken into the hands, and they decided we have to give a new life, a good life we have to give to this Tatsu also we have to give the life, they thought. And he said, because I had the lucky, because I had this kind of the lucky parents only I have. Otherwise, where I would have been, I don't know. What might have been, I don't know, he said. So that's why here when he was born, even the parents also, they are also terrified and worried. Next one, if you go to the next one here, and already I told you, he loves games, sports, swimming, skating, playing football, so and playing golf. So the handicapped person, that means who doesn't have the hands, is playing all these because of the only small little foot. Because of the small little foot only, with the help of this, he is playing all these kind of the games. If you go to the next one, sir, what is his father? That means here, the Nick Vujicic, he was very lucky having those kind of the parents. Every parents are, your parents, my parents, every parents are, always they will try to give what we ask for. 100% they will give what you ask for. And here also, they are also giving everything what he is asking for. Next one, father was a computer technician and a accountant. Mother was a nurse. And Nick Vujicic also said, why I was born like this? My mother is a nurse. Actually, my mother is a nurse. Before the birth, my mother had taken so many precautions she had taken, even though I was born like this. So, here you see some kind of these kind of the things are happened. Next one, after the 5 years, he has to go to the school. The parents, there is a challenge for the parents, for which school we have to send our Nick Vujicic. Because generally handicapped students, they will go to the special schools only they will go. Blind people, blind students, they will go to the blind school. Deaf and dumb students, they will go to the deaf and dumb schools. But here, no legs, no hands, for which school he has to go? but the parents are very clever. If you go to the special school, all are handicapped are there. Because all are the handicapped, you are also handicapped, all are depressed, you are depressed, you won't get anything. You won't get anything. So instead of that, I will send you to the regular schools. In the regular schools, there are no more handicapped persons. If maybe one or two will be there. So he was joined in the regular school. Finally, he was also joined in the regular school, and this is also one of the pitching also for me. Because of this, I was profited. Because of this, I was gained, and many times he was also teased by the friends. Because handicapped person, generally we will see when one lame person is going on, we will see the lame person is going on, we will laugh at him. Blind person is going, we will laugh at him. Deaf and dumb is there, laugh at him, because he is also taught so. That's why all the students laugh at him. All the students are laugh at him, even though he faced that. And told the mother problems, told the father many problems, but they have given the courage, the words they had given to him. Next one. But here you see, sir, how does he go to the school? He goes to school by the wheelchair, with the help of the carers, with the help of the servants. Daily he will go to the school with the help of the helpers in a wheelchair. At the same time, he had completed the degree also, you see. Now we are studying the 9th class or the 10th class, we are studying. We are studying the 10th class only, but our thoughts, but our vision is too much. But he is a handicapped person, even though he had completed his degree in the planning. In that financial planning, he had completed his degree. So you see what the attitude he had. If your attitude is the good, you will go to the height. For example, you take the examples of some model persons. Bill Gates, 10th class failed student. Because of the attitude, because of his thoughts, because of the thoughts today, he became the richest person in the world. One say, richest person in the world, Bill Gates. So, if your attitude is good, 100% you will reach the altitude you will reach, and you will get the good success also, you will get that. Next one, and I went to the mother. Already I told you that. One day went to the mother, I want to die, mother, he told. But the mother consoled him not to take those kind of the steps, because in the future the life will be good to you. She had consoled him very well, and talked to the father. But always there is one feeling is there. I am the handicapped. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? There is one kind of the feeling is there. But after some time, one day, accidentally he had read the one article he had read. Just like a story in a newspaper. A handicapped person, he had written the article. He read that article. In that, the handicapped person told how he was succeeded even though he was a handicapped person. Then he understood, yes, when this handicapped person was succeeded, why don't I succeed? I have to change my vision, I have to change my thoughts. Not to think of my problem, don't think of the problem, I have to think of the target. Like that only he decided. But anyhow, my dear students, and part 2 also it is the completed by the tomorrow, and part 3 also it is given to you, and only 15 minutes period video only I am giving to you, because 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes it will get the both for you. So that's why only 15 minutes the time video only I am giving to you. And whatever already I know the one thing, you don't have the books, that is your problem. By the Monday the books are given to you, so there will be no problem. After having the books also there will be no problem. But to have the English, to learn the English, what is the needed? The textbooks are compulsory needed. Daily we have to read the book. Number of times, if you read well, you will get the English. If you think of the English well, you will get the English. If you want English, think of English. If you want English, read English. If you want English, write English. 24 hours think of the English. 100%. We are also studied in Telugu medium only. But if you want the English, always read English only, think of the English only. Then easily you will get that. Thank you, one and all.